Hello everyone. As I got few questions from new members how to use the Forex Simulator, this is the short extra lesson video how to set this up, how to use it. It's very simple, so hopefully this video can give something to you. If you already followed the steps on the guide channel, you should see the simulator on the navigator tool here on the expert advisors as the Soft4FX Simulator. To put it into the chart, just simply please click, grab and drop anywhere on the window. I'm not changing anything, just confirming, and it's already run. So nothing difficult. Here's the short menu, and to start any session we need to have data. So only one time to do this this process is on the data center. I didn't change the data provider. This is probably the Ducascope is as a default. I have just two options here, and I'm not changing. I didn't change this. I don't remember I change anything. Here's the list of the pairs you can backtest, even Dow Jones or gold, everything what is needed. I have only one, GU, and just simply just click and download the chosen one. Important thing is that the data we can use or download are from the previous week. So to the Friday, to all Fridays. After all Fridays we can update this. I have a lot of data from 2003, but my advice is to use last 5-6 years, because before the Forex wasn't so popular, not so many retail traders were on the market. We can still see, of course, for example, on the 2003, the supply and demand zones, the liquidity grabs, all part of our strategy we use now. But M1 candles or M5 also were there are a lot of weeks because market was a bit slower. Now we have over 9 million traders every day on the market, and the volatility is really better. Market is moving faster, sharper moves. So just advise, last 5-6 years is really enough. Still a lot of data to test. So this is all about this window. And let's go to the new simulation. Here is my provider and the currency pair I want to test. First window, simply choose the data, the date to test. For example, the dimension 2015, April. Let's go before my birthday. Currency pair, starting balance. It is good two ways, yes, in my opinion, of course. Your actual account to feel as alive, or your dream or your goal account to see how in future really the money can move. It is important, yes, because we should focus, of course, on percents and our consistency, but this can appear bigger pressure with bigger money. It should be same feeling if you have 10,000 account or 100, but the numbers are big. I have respect of money, and I am personally scared to trade with bigger account than I have now in last 7-8 months. I'm still same. I don't feel comfortable. Yes, so this is to check. Of course, we know that this is backtesting session, but to check how the money are moving. If you are losing, how these hundreds or thousands are going down. This is good to check your emotions, how it could be. But usually it is good to have same account as you have now. Then here, pip size and lot size, I'm not changing this. Leverage as you have now. I have now 1 to the 500, and then the spread. I don't use on backtesting sessions the real one. I like to have no spread. Here the minimum I can set the 1. Because this is the backtesting session, I don't want to think about spread. I want to think only about price action, not if I have half pip spread or 0.1. I prefer to have fixed one as lowest as possible. And the initial history on charts, I like to have last month, last 30 days. And then start the simulation. Everything is set up, really nothing difficult here. And appeared only the trading manager. We still don't have charts, anything. So here in the middle, on the left, no, right side, there's a charts button. Here we can choose the time frames we want to test. My base is the M1 time frame, so add. Then 1 hour time frame and add. We still see nothing, still black window, so we need to open the chosen time frames here and here. And now here on the bottom of my screen I have the M1 and H1 time frames. If somehow during your session you want to see, for example, the M5 or M15 to have a better view, it is nothing better that you didn't set this at the beginning. Yes, this is not the setup before the backtesting session. You can anytime once again click the charts. It's not disappearing. It's still active button. So no worries if you forget something else. I don't like the default template. I have the simulator template. It's very similar to my shirt on the guide channel as the clean, but without the trade manager as an expert advisor and without the pip count and time candle. I have just really clean chart with only tick volume on the bottom. So I'm changing this on every time frame, every window, and now everything is set up. Useful tool, or not tool, the useful option here on this simulator is the news. If someone really treats very seriously the backtesting sessions, here are all upcoming news on this period of time. This is wonderful. As here you can see, this the 7th April, 6 years ago. All news upcoming with information how big impact this news can make on your chart. Very, very nice. All forecast to the numbers, to the one number after comma. Beautiful. This is really powerful application. This whole Soft4FX. I love this one. Then we need to know that this is the beginning of session now. So it is good to move the chart to some time. And here comes the sessions button. We can see that we are a few hours before London now. Yes, so I want to move my charts, and for that is the next bar. But please be careful on what here is set. Here I have the 1 minute. Yes, so every move will be just 1 minute candle forward. If I will set here the 1 hour, of course there will be 60 candles every one click. It's very important. If you are trading on 1 minute and here's the 15 set, you will see the 15 candles. Yes, so this session is not so beautiful if you can see this and make back again. We cannot see the future, yes, as on live charts. So be careful to not destroy your backtesting session. And next bar, so you can see whole hour is moving up. Here the vertical line also. And I want to, somewhere here, 1 hour before London session. So I'm now at the beginning of Frankfurt session. And now after moving my charts to the time when I want to trade, really do not forget to set this back to the 1 minute or to the time frame you want to trade. Okay, so now these are the most important things. Yes, here are the smallest things. use what you want as a trading by lot size, by risk percent. I'm not changing here anything. I like to trade, not to focus on some unnecessary stuff. I will show you how to set this. If you are trading, of course, your account. Okay, I agree. Let's set the 1% risk. So now everything is set up. Let's do some basic things. I have here some equal highs. Looks like liquidity grab. Looks like compression. Candle with wick to the upside. The 1 hour, how it looks like. Here break of structure. Here could be bearish reaction. Price is after the supply. Here were two supply zones close to each other. Here was even bigger main base. So let's see that, for example, without deeper looking on the charts, I want to look for a sells. So how it works? You can also copy the all drawings to another time frames. Yeah, so if I did some drawings on the 1 hour, please mark all those drawings. Here click the objects and clone selected. Just one click, and then everything should appear on my second chart. Yes, here is my big break of structure, the blue line. Price is, maybe I didn't draw this so beautiful, but here's the supply. All right, yeah, here's beautiful supply. Now clone selected. Yeah, I see that here I got equal highs below supply zone, the orange box. Price made compression, strong push to the upside, very high volume on top. So maybe I could look for a sell. So once again, I'm checking if this is set to 1 minute. And here is looks like good reaction. Yes, appeared the volume. Here's the break of structure. I could be looking for the sell position to join the sellers. Yes, because this is the textbook setup with equal highs and grabbing the liquidity with reaction with the supply. Beautiful. Reaction was very strong, so my setup is not valid. Volume slowly going down. Okay, let's see. Let's say that I want to join now. Okay, yeah, this is not backtesting session. Sorry, guys. I want to sell now, and I am choosing the visual mode because it's easier for me to move my take profit and stop loss levels. So visual mode is already set. Here is it's not available to write anything manually, so I'm clicking the sell. And now I can move my lines. Yes, this is my stop loss. I see here how many pips, how much money I'm risking. I already set the 1% of my account. Here the blue line is the TP, it's moving. Here we can see the price, the distance. Let's, for example, here is some manipulation, big drop to the down, then up. Let's use this one. Yeah, when the price didn't know where to go, but made a higher high after small drop. Very small accumulation. Equal lows is in here, right? Equal lows, liquidity grab to the short, to the supply. Yeah, small price action, 12 pips, 4 pips stop loss. Let's aim, for example, for the 1 to the 3. So if I have set my lines, I can do the accept, and I'm already on the trade. Very easy, yes. Now just next bar to see the further candles. Yes, and this is how it's going. Beautiful. This was very fast trade. Here I can see how much money I already did. It's almost 3% of my account, and how to move the stop loss line. This is very important because we also need to train our managing the position, yes, our risk management. So here comes the trades button, and here's whole position. Yes, this is the very important panel. So if I want to move my stop loss, I am clicking here the X. So now is removed. So once again, and I have the small window. So I'm choosing once again the visual as I like. Is visual, and now I can move my stop loss. For example, above the sharp move in here, or anywhere you want with your trading plan. I'm moving and accept. Yes, so now I see that I am set as 3 pips in plus. So I'm almost $4 is my winnings if the price will decide to turn back. So visual is here because I don't want to set anything manually. I like the visual mode. I didn't use this before, but for now it's my best way. And then just close this panel. Maybe you want to move the take profit also, but I want to delete. And once again, next bar. Let's see. Nice. I did 3% over bit 3%. And here's my trade. Everything is recorded. So it's very simple. Yes. I'm using only the next bar. You can use the real time and the play button. You can set here the speed, but I prefer clicking just to think about the price action because I have a lot of time. Yes, on backtesting sessions. This is not moving as one-to-one. And as the last things can be also useful for some of you is the opportunity to save the simulation to continue it at next time. So here's the save one and save simulation. Then when you will run once again the expert advisor, there was at the beginning you remember the small menu with data center with which we started, and then was start new simulation or load simulation, and then we can upload the current one, and you will start from exactly same price level when you closed. So you can make the parallel reality on your backtesting simulator, really to continue to, for example, to start at 2015 or to start in 2020, and every free time if you have to learn, continue the one big story. You can see how your account is moving after months, for example. This is the patience game. Yes, I am also testing all the time till this day, and it's nice to see the percents you have here. If you are losing, if you have, for example, minus 50%, so it means that something's still wrong. But if you are at break even after 2 months of one backtesting session, this is a beautiful data, the diary of your progress, how you are going. And in this case, the backtesting sessions are based on the tick volume, but for me, on this intermediate course, the main thing and the main focus is on the price action, because I did my account with only price action, and for me this is the basic, this is the must know to really be a good trader. Then the real volume as a tool, as a beautiful confirmation, of course, big advantage can give to us, but without the knowledge, this can give really bad signals. So it is good to trade, to simulate one session as long as possible to see your results in longer time. I hope that this is it. If you have more questions about Forex Simulator, please let me know or ask on the main chat. A lot of guys are using this already and can answer you maybe faster than me now. Thank you.